Right. Let's look at question number 17, part C, the inverse trigonometric part. Solve the following simultaneous equations for x and y. Right. So let's look at the first one. Sine inverse root x is equal to cos inverse root y. So these are both same angle. No? These are angles. Inverses are angles. So this means sine inverse of root x is the same as cos inverse of root y angle. So they both give you the same angle. So that angle let's take as theta. So then theta can be sine inverse root x or theta can be cos inverse root y. Because if these are equal, these angles are equal. So we'll take that common angle as theta. So you can write theta equals sine inverse root x or theta equals cos inverse root y. So then sine theta equals root x and cos theta equals root y. So I want to find a relationship between x and y. Then I can get rid of y from this equation. So here I can easily get a relationship using our Pythagorean identity. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So then square root x squared plus square root y squared equals 1. So x plus y equals 1. So x equals 1 minus y. Right. So now let me substitute 3 into the second equation. So I will replace x with 1 minus y in the second equation. So I get tan inverse 3x minus tan inverse 2y means 2 minus 2x, right? No, sorry. Wait, I should have written this. The other y equals 1 minus x. No, I want to replace y. So y equals 1 minus x. So then 2y becomes 2 minus 2x plus tan inverse 3y becomes tan inverse 3 minus 3x minus tan inverse 2x equal to 1. So now we have rewritten the second equation in terms of x only. Now we have to find x, right? So let me now use what? Let's take this as a, this as b angle. So this is tan a minus b, no? So here tan a would be what? 3x and tan b would be 2 minus 2x. Same thing we can do for this one. Let's take this as c, this as d. So then tan c is 3 minus 3x and tan d is 2x. So then apply what? Tan, this formula we learned, tan a minus b is what? Tan a minus tan b over 1 plus tan a tan b. So we'll apply this tan difference formula for both of these terms and simplify. So what do you get? So first one, tan a would be 3x. So 3x minus 2 minus 2x, right? Over 1 plus 3x into 2 minus 2x, right? So this is tan a minus tan b over 1 plus tan a plus tan a times tan. Same thing for the second thing. So you can do what? Now 3 minus 3x minus 2x 1 plus 3 minus 3x into 2x. This whole thing is equal to 1. Right, now simplify. What do you get? 5x minus 2, you get 6x, 1 plus 6x minus 6x squared, plus 3 minus 5x, 1 plus 6x minus 6x squared equals 1. Right, you have this, no, same thing, no, same denominator. Right, now let's simplify. We can write this under one fraction. So we get 5x minus 2, 3 plus, so 3 minus 5x over 1 plus 6x minus 6x squared equal to 1. So then 5x and minus 5x cancel, you get 1 over 1 plus 6x minus 6x squared equals 1. So then 1 plus 6x minus 6x squared is equal to 1. So the 1's cancel. 6x you can take out, you get what? Wait. So you get 6x minus 6x squared equals 0. 6x take out. So 1 minus x inside. So x equals 0 or x equals 1. And what is the relationship between x and y? Y equals 1 minus x. Y equals 1 minus x. So then when x equals 0, y equals 1. And when x equals 1, y equals 0. So those are our two solutions. X equals 0, y equals 1, or x equals 1, then y equals 0. So we can write solutions are x0 comma y equals 1, or x equals 1 comma y equals 0. So we get those two solutions. Right, so that is the answer for 17 part C. You have two solutions, two pairs, right?